The simplest form of the ls command lists the contents of the current directory. Here we see files and directories in the current folder. Directories are usually colored differently from regular files. The A option stands for All. It shows hidden files as well. Files beginning with a dot are hidden files. The entry single dot represents the current directory, and double dots represents the parent directory. The L option shows a detailed listing of files. Linux uses symbols to identify every file type. The dash symbol is for regular files. The D symbol is for directories. And there are other file types also. Linux permissions use R for reading, W for writing, and X for executing files. The owner's rights occupy the first 3 slots of the permission string. The middle 3 characters define access for users in the assigned group. The final 3 characters set the rules for every other user on the system. How many file system links point to the file? The file owner. Group that owns the file. Size in bytes. When the file was last modified. File name. The H option means human readable. It converts file sizes from bytes into kilobytes, megabytes, or gigabytes. The uppercase S option sorts files by size. The largest files appear first. The T option sorts files by modification time. The newest files appear at the top. The lowercase r option reverses the order of the listing. When combined with T option, it shows the oldest files first. The uppercase R option stands for recursive. It lists files in the directory and all subdirectories. This command lists only directories. Options can be combined into a single command. The ls command may seem simple, but it becomes very powerful when combined with different options. Learning these options will help you navigate the Linux file system much more efficiently. Thank you for watching.